So for week 32, we discussed the gastroc, soleus, and the tibialis posterior, which all make up the calves of the lower leg. For the gastrocnemius, or the gastroc, its origin is the posterior condyles of the femur here. And its insertion is going to be the calcaneus via the Achilles tendon. That calcaneus is the biggest of the tarsals here, and then you have your Achilles tendon. Its actions: it flexes the knee, and it plantar flexes the ankle. So we're taking the foot and we are pointing it downward as if we're pressing on the gas pedal of a car. Next is the soleus. Its origin is the proximal posterior tibia and fibula. So towards the top here, you have the top portions of the fibula and tibia, and we're going to just go directly across those. And then its insertion is the calcaneus as well via the Achilles tendon. And then its action is to plantar flex the ankle. So we're taking the toes, your foot, pointing it downward. And finally, you have the tibialis posterior. Its origin is the proximal posterior tibia and fibula. So we're actually going to be directly in between the space that these two bones create here. And its insertion is the medial tarsals and base of metatarsals 2 through 4. So we are going to be on the bottom of the foot here. And your big toe, which has 2 phalanges, is going to be the medial side of your foot. So here you have the medial tarsals, and then the base of the metatarsals 2 through 4. So your big toe is 1, here's 2, 3, and 4. Its actions: it plantar flexes the foot, so we're taking our toes and pointing them downward, and inverts the foot, so we are lifting the medial side of your foot.